For 1A, here's an example of a threonine structure and a leucine structure. The N terminus is H2N and the C terminus is COOH. For 1B, the primary structure sequence of a chain of its amino acid. The force is a peptide bond, which is a covalent bond between the carbonyl group of one amino acid and the amino acid or the amino group of the other amino acid. Secondary, the force is hydrogen bonding of the peptide backbone, causing the amino acids to fold into a repeating pattern. The ternary protein structure, it's a three-dimensional folding pattern of a protein due to the side chains. The force is hydrogen bonds. It's due to the side change. Quaternary protein pattern is a protein consisting of more than one amino chain. The force is dependent on the side chain of the amino acid and it's interacting with. The 1C, the first type of enzyme is subtract in interactions. It's locking into the compliant the enzyme. An induced fit is the active site formed in response to the enzyme subtract. 2A is a diagram of a phosphate, sugar, and base structure. 2B, basis for DNA can be adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Basis for RNA can be adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. DNA is double-stranded A helix. RNA is a single strand. DNA is self-replicated. DNA stores genetic info. RNA does not. RNA is like a reader with three different types: messenger, transfer, and ribosome. RNA carries genetic information to ribosomes for translation and decoding genetic information. 2C, the virus genes are made up of nucleic acid that is stored inside the capsid. The envelope contains protein spikes that help insert DNA into the host cell. In the budding process, the virus leaves and takes some of the membrane. 3A, catabolism. It's a metabolic process that involves the breakdown of large molecules. Anabolism is a set of metabolic pathways that construct larger molecules from small units. Two chemical reactions of catalysis is hydrolysis and oxidation, and two chemical reactions of anabolism is condensation and reduction. Three. 3b, here is the equation for the chemical equation for ATP. ADP plus PI equals phosphorylation and hydrolysis ATP. The ATP is a higher energy, and then ADP is a lower energy. The hydrolysis is exergonic, and the phosphorylation is endergonic. 3C. Indigestion, the alpha amylase breaks down the sugars, then goes to the stomach and into the small intestines, where the pancreatic amylose breaks down oligosaccharides into sugars. Then their enzymes break them down further into single sugars, where it's transported to the bloodstream and eventually the tissues.